You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equal or smaller than -2. Let's solve it step by step. Remove the ones. Though a variable sign changes when it is multiplied by -1, its absolute value does not. Therefore, we can eliminate the 1. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 1 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equal or smaller than -2.